Hey guys, welcome back. Our recipe today is a very healthy, simple and instant breakfast with loads of protein, nutrients. On the whole, we can call this as a balanced diet for busy mornings. Planning a balanced breakfast on a busy morning is little tricky. So you may follow this recipe and this will definitely help you a lot. Before going to the recipe, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. To start with our recipe, here I have taken one medium-sized onion chopped and one bell pepper, one grated carrot and handful of cilantro. Now take a pan and add 2 spoons of oil to this. Once the oil is heated, here I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Now add chopped onion and saute until they are translucent. Once the onion is well fried, add bell pepper, grated carrot, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt according to taste. Now saute and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, all the veggies are well cooked. So now add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and give it a good mix so the chili powder combines well with all the vegetables. Then finally add handful of chopped cilantro and give a good stir and transfer to a plate and keep it aside. Now take a separate bowl, add salt according to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and 2 spoons of water. Chili powder you may add according to your spice levels. Now mix everything and break 2 eggs and add to this bowl and give a good mix so that the eggs combines with the salt and chili powder. With this, our stuffing and egg wash is ready, so keep them aside. And here I have bread slices that are trimmed at the edges. Now flatten the bread slices with the help of rolling pin like this. You can see this is well flattened. Now take a spoon of the stuffing and place on the side of bread slice like this and start rolling from the side where we kept the stuffing. At the other end, wet the bread with water and then seal it properly. Here you can see our bread with vegetable stuffing is ready. Now keep it aside. Here I have mozzarella cheese. I measured half cup of mozzarella cheese and added to this vegetable stuffing. Now give a good mix so that this cheese combines well with the vegetable stuffing. Here I added cheese because this cheese contains lot of protein and also kids would love to eat with cheese. So now transfer this stuffing to the bread slice carefully and roll it from the side. Now brush the other side of the bread with water and seal it properly. Likewise, continue the process until all the bread rolls are ready. Once the bread rolls are ready, now take the egg wash that we prepared earlier and dip each roll in the egg wash carefully as shown in the video and keep it aside. This breakfast is very simple and healthy as well, as we get loads of nutrients from the vegetables and protein from the cheese and egg and grains from the whole wheat bread we used. You may use any bread, but I used whole wheat bread just to avoid all-purpose flour. And moreover, this would be kids' favorite breakfast. So once all the rolls are ready, now heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. And once the butter is also melted, now transfer all the rolls and allow them to fry on a medium to low flame. You can adjust the butter according to your need. Here I added 1 more tablespoon and transferred more pieces. Now after 1 or 2 minutes, flip to other side and fry on the other side also. Carefully flip to all sides and fry on all sides. This frying hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can see all are well fried, so now transfer them to a serving plate. With this, our French toast roll-ups are ready to enjoy with the tomato ketchup or marinara sauce. So friends, please try making them and do comment on how you like them. If you like my recipe and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.